They say life is always rotate, but not for me. Oh hey, my name is Stephanie. My friends usually call me Stay. Here is my story. On 31 of November 2018, I go to Kayukebek village in Pasuruan. I go with my school's friends. We start our journey at 8 a.m. in the morning with the bus. Our journey started with the speech of our headmaster. After the speech, we entered the bus and left our school. At 11 afternoon, we arrived at Nongkojajar. From Nongkojajar, we used pickup trucks and arrived at the village's meeting hall. We were divided into groups and went to our house and met with our foster parents. At night, we were explained about the village's history. It's almost midnight and it's time to sleep. In the morning, we wake up and went to the village's school and taught English lesson.
So today we want to teach student grade 4 about food.
Okay, so my name is Silvana from 12 Science 1. And I'm Stephanie from 12 Science 1.
I'm William from 12 Science 1.
My name is Silvanus from 12 Science 1.
I'm Devania from Science 12.
My name is Marcel from 12 Science 1.
Okay,
And
so check this out.
check this out.
Bye-bye.
In this, I realized something. Their spirit to go to school was so big, but most of them are in the low economic situation. But how about us? We have money, but we didn't have any spirits to go to school. We waste our money, our times with many things that actually we didn't need it. I miss the moment when I taught them. I miss their smiles, their spirits, their voice. I miss everything about them. I can only wish all the best for them. At night, we are greeted with the dance of fingers tradition. The last day in Kayukebek was very sad. 3 days and 2 nights wasn't enough for us. Tired, pain, sadness were paid with the beautiful view of mountain. Our togetherness defeated the cold temperature there. We were delivered to the bus again with the pickup trucks and went back home. Goodbye, Kayukebek. Goodbye, Live In. See you on top, guys.